Today on Rust Belt Airgun, I'm going to review the CZ75P-07 Duty Air Pistol by ASG. I'm going to refer to this air pistol as just the P-07 Duty in the rest of this video. The P-07 Duty is a semi-auto double-action air pistol. It is powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge housed in the grip. This air pistol shoots .177 caliber steel BBs up to 361 FPS. The P-07 Duty features blowback action. The slide cycles back and forth when firing this air pistol, simulating realistic recoil. The hammer moves with each shot like a real firearm pistol. This air pistol features a polymer frame and metal slide with ergonomic grips. The P-07 Duty weighs a hefty 1 pound and 9.7 ounces, or 728 grams. Its overall length is 7 1/4 inches, or 18.42 centimeters. And its height from the top of the rear sight to the base of the grip is 5 5/16 inches, or 13.49 centimeters. CZ75P-07, along with the CZ logo, is proudly emblazoned on this air pistol slide. The word duty is engraved on the front of the slide, and the CZ logo can also be seen at the center of each grip. Each P-07 Duty air pistol has a unique serial number etched into the receiver. This air pistol has fixed front and rear iron sights. White paint makes the sights more visible in low light situations. The rear sight is of standard notch design, while the front sight is of standard post type. The P-07 Duty's magazine, housed in the grip, can contain up to 20 .177 steel BB projectiles. This air pistol is equipped with an accessory rail on the bottom of the receiver so that accessories, such as a laser sight, can be mounted. The P-07 Duty's barrel tip can be removed so that a silencer can be installed. The P-07 Duty comes in a sharp-looking box intended for retail sales. The front of the box displays the P-07 Duty in all its glory with a brief bullet point list that displays its attributes, such as an accessory rail, metal slide, and unique serial numbers. A red vertical band includes other attributes, such as this air pistol using .177 steel BBs as projectiles, and it's of blowback design. The top section on the back of the box contains some useful specs about this air pistol in English, German, and French. The middle section on the back of the box shows a pictorial view of the P-07 Duty and some of its attributes, such as its easy-to-access CO2 cartridge compartment, blowback action, and built-in Weaver accessory rail. The captions are once again in English, German, and French. In addition, a brief history of the CZ75P-07 Duty firearm pistol, of which this air pistol is a replica of, is included. CZ is an abbreviation of the Czech Arms Factory, while ASG, the manufacturer of this air pistol, is an abbreviation for Action Sport Games. The bottom section on the back of the box indicates that the P-07 Duty is made in Taiwan under license by ASG, AS Denmark, and of course, CZ. In addition, ASG recommends that this air pistol is intended for those 18 years or older, that eye protection be worn, and to read the manual before operation. The inside of the P-07 Duty's box is rather plain. CZ's logo is imprinted in black and gold, along with the full name of this air pistol, CZ75P-07 Duty. Along with the P-07 Duty's manual, a small mini catalog is included that highlights all of ASG's airgun offerings. The P-07 Duty safety is located on the left side, below the rear sight. Push the safety up to engage. The red dot should be covered when the safety is engaged. Push the safety down to disengage. The P-07 duty safety is located on the left side, below the rear sight. Engage the safety. The magazine release button is located on the left side, behind the trigger. Push the magazine release button. The magazine will drop from the bottom of the grip. Put a drop of either Pelgun oil or RWS chamber lube on the tip of the CO2 cartridge. Remove the CO2 cartridge cover by pressing on the bottom and then pulling off. Insert the CO2 cartridge tip up into the grip. Turn the piercing wing clockwise until you hear the hiss of CO2 entering the air pistol. Install the CO2 cartridge cover. Install the magazine. Disengage the safety when ready to fire. The P-07 duty safety is located on the left side, below the rear sight. Engage the safety. The magazine release button is located on the left side, behind the trigger. Press the magazine release button. The magazine will drop from the bottom of the grip. Pull down the BB follower and lock in place. Load up the 20.177 caliber steel BBs into the loading port. Release the BB follower from the tab. Insert the magazine into the grip. Push down on the slide release if the slide is in the retracted position. Disengage the safety when ready to fire. I was actually looking forward to taking some outdoor shots today, but it was not to be, due to our rainy weather. The P-07 duty has a two-stage trigger, aiding in accuracy as you know exactly when the firing will take place. I was able to get the majority of the 20 shots with an inch diameter of the target. Accuracy of the P-07 duty is good for a smoothbore air pistol. The CZ75 P-07 duty is a new generation of firearm pistols offered by the Czech Arms Factory. You can now own a detailed airgun replica of this firearm pistol. The hammer and blowback action are the best features of this air pistol. It would be nice if the safety was accessible from both the left and right side for us left-handed shooters. Unfortunately, the right side safety is molded to the receiver and not operational. You could purchase the P-07 duty using my Amazon referral link in the description. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Airgun so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.